How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Cashless Investors. Today I'm going to talk about some of the news that might affect NIO share price, and I'm also going to talk about Tesla. Okay, I'm going to give you my opinion with regard to its share price and whether it is a good buying or selling opportunity. My name is Nelson Kanyanga and this is the Cashless Investor.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it.
The first news that I want to talk about is with regard to the NIO and APPLe's partnership. Okay, I've read on the news and some reports even stated that NIO is about to enter a partnership with Apple. Okay, as you guys know, back in March or April, William Lee said that they would enter the smartphone market, but it's not that they want to compete with companies such as Samsung, Apple, but it is because they want to give the users a better user experience with their vehicles. But with regard to the partnership with Apple, this is the news that I do not trust. Okay, because I don't have solid information with regard to it, and I would be very cautious when doing my trading. Okay, based on this news, these are speculations, guys. Unless NIO, William Lee, or Apple CEO comes out and explains that they are indeed going to enter a partnership with NIO, I'm not going to buy into that news, guys, and I want you guys to pay attention to that news. Okay, disregard it. Okay, because I'm not saying that it's fake news. It's just it's dangerous to buy stocks based on these types of news. These are news that actually makes investors or traders hyped. They're gonna pump it and then they're gonna sell it. Okay, so watch out, guys. Now, some very good news is with regard to NIO's expansion plan. Okay, as I said in the previous video, NIO has the intention to expand to 25 different countries by 2025, and one of these countries is the United States of America. And recent reports stated that NIO has been looking for people with experience to plants building and plants building in the US soil, and someone that has expertise with regard to the US state policies. Okay, this is very good news. Okay, I don't know why, but until now there are some people that are still skeptical with regard to Chinese products. Okay, and we all know that most of the products that we use are made in China and they are very good quality. But when they start building in different soil, different than China and in the US market, this gives NIO more exposure to US investors, and of course that's going to boost their confidence in the product that they are selling because it's made in the US soil. Okay, I'm not saying that Chinese products are not good. They are very good quality, and NIO's car is tested and it's very high quality. I'm just saying that building and manufacturing cars in the US soil is going to boost consumer confidence, especially those who are skeptical or who are still skeptical with regard to Chinese product. Now, NIO has created an online selling system. This has resulted in an increment, a significant increment in orders in Shanghai in May. And of course, as I said before, in April, NIO's delivery was low compared to the previous months. So we expect May, of course, attaching to that news, we expect in May deliveries number are going to be relatively higher. Okay, and for June I expect to go back to normalcy. Talking about normalcy, Shanghai has announced that they're gonna finish its full lockdown policies in June the 1st. As you guys know, Shanghai has been in full lockdown, okay, because of its zero COVID policy, okay, and that has resulted in many factors being closed, okay, people being in quarantine, and basically the economy of that province has been down. Okay, so the news that they're gonna lift the full lockdown is a very bullish one, not only to NIO but to many other companies that have their production and that do their business in Shanghai. But a very good news to EV companies such as NIO, XPEV, Tesla, and Li Auto is that the government, the Shanghai government, has given a subsidy of about $1,500 for those who are going to buy new EV cars. Okay, this is a very good news, guys, and of course I expect delivery numbers to go up as Shanghai is going to be open. For those who don't know, Shanghai is considered as a very economic city in China. Okay, Shanghai alone is responsible for about 10% of the China trade share. Okay, now talking about Tesla, what's going on with Tesla share prices? We have seen that Tesla has been trading at about 50% below its all-time high. Okay, and what has changed? I would say nothing. Okay, because the fundamentals are still there. Tesla is still the leader of the EV market, okay, with a very big market share. And I do not see it changing just now, okay? Of course, there's gonna be some competition throughout the years, but right now, nothing has changed in terms of fundamental, okay? NIO Tesla Tesla is a company that we expect that is going to be producing more than 1 million cars per year. Okay, this is huge. I do not see any EV maker doing that in the first for at least the next 2 to 3 years. Okay, so Tesla is still the leader. So what's going on with Tesla share price? I would say macro news aside, it is related to the Twitter deal. Okay, as I said before, this has affected Tesla shareholders' confidence, as they are still skeptical of how is Elon Musk going to deal with both Tesla and Twitter. And I do not want to talk about politics in this channel, but I also think that what's going on with Tesla and Elon Musk is political related. Okay, it's not nothing related to the intrinsic value of Tesla. It's politics, and these factors we cannot control. Okay, and of course, you know, Elon Musk is very active in Twitter, and that some of his tweets affect positively the share price. But what he has been saying lately is not affecting that positively the share price. So probably that's what's going on. Do I recommend buying Tesla? Okay, guys, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, these are my opinions only, and I would say that the current prices of Tesla are very attractive. I would buy Tesla. Okay, right now I do not own any shares of Tesla, but Tesla is a must-have. Okay, I see that its share price is going to go higher. So now let's see Tesla and NIO's chart and see what do we expect for them for the current trading week, guys. All right, let's go to investor relation in NIO and see how NIO has been performing in the 3 markets that NIO is listed. Okay, as you guys know, NIO is currently listed in the New York Stock Exchange, the Hong Kong, and the Singapore Stock Exchange. As you guys can see, we started the week very solid. Okay, not with huge gains, but with some gains. But in the 24th, we saw a drop, and we recovered from the 26th and remained up in the 27th. So we closed the week green, guys. Bulls won again, and this is what we need to do, guys. We want steady increments. Okay, and of course, if you are an investor, you don't have to look a lot to price fluctuation, but of course everyone loves to end in green. And so this is we're up in the 27th. We ended the week, we closed the week at $16.57 per share. In the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, okay, for the 5-day week, okay, it was I would say a good week. Okay, bulls won. Just a reminder that market, the New York Stock Exchange wasn't open on the 30th, but the Hong Kong and the Singapore Stock Exchange were open, so that's why you see data right here, and it's open right now. Okay, at the time of the recording of this video, so it seems like it is bullish so far, and I expect this behavior to um, stay up during the week. Okay, as I said, I expect a bullish week for NIO for this week. Now let's see how it is behaving in the Singapore Stock Exchange. Okay, my internet is a bit slow. Okay, for the 5-day, it resembles the same behavior as in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Okay, you see it was doing quite well on the 27th, and it started the week very well. Okay, there were some gain, and it's currently trading okay at around 43 dollars per share. Okay, let's see its volume. Okay, in interactive brokers right there. As you guys can see, volume was a bit low on the 27th, but on the 31st, okay, this is pre-market and seems to be very good, guys. It seems that it is going to be a hell of a week. I expect a very good bullish run, and I expect the week expect NIO is going to be trading, or at least it will test the $20 per share region. Okay, this is what I expect, and I'm very confident in that as well. To be honest, I never thought that I would see Tesla being trading at these prices again. Okay, unless there were a stock split, as they mentioned that there's going to be a stock split. But right now, these prices, I consider them as very attractive, guys. And then Tesla just rebounded from the 620s to back to 700s, and there was a gap as well right here from 700 to about 730. Guys, something that I learned in the market: gaps always close. Okay, wherever there is a gap, there is going to be a correction to close it, or if there is a gap up, there's going to be a correction to close the gap. If there is a gap down, price is going to rebound. Okay, this is what I learned in the market, and you see right here, this gap was already filled. Okay, right there, and this gap, I believe that is going to be filled again, so I expect price to correct a bit, but it's going to run up. If you see the RSI, the RSI is in about 67, and I like these right here. It seems like the price is going to go up as well. You guys can see right there the price. There is an engulfing there, which is very good, guys. So I expect Tesla share price to have a bullish run unless macroeconomics says otherwise. Aside from that, guys, this is a bullish week, and I expect bulls are going to be very happy for this week, guys. All right, guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, this isn't normally how I make my videos, but it's just I'm traveling, but I needed to make this video. That's why I did it that way, guys. I hope you like the video. Please share it, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.